outstanding limestone mega mansion in Virginia. Sited on a prime 2-acre lot in Mclean, Virginia, one of D.C.'s most prestigious suburbs. Constructed of Italian limestone with slate roof and copper dormers, the exterior sets an impressive stage for the luxury within. The private dual auto-gated entry into a block landscaped heated motor courtyard lead to a dramatic front entrance and stunning reception foyer and grand sweeping staircase with a rotunda ceiling above. This palace is for everyone who appreciates quality, design, and style, a masterpiece built as a legacy for a modern dynasty. Impeccable craftsmanship is the hallmark of this spectacular 8-bedroom home, spanning 20,000 square feet across 3 levels and boasting every splendid amenity. Behind every great estate is a great visionary. This grand custom estate was designed and built by Gala award-winning luxury living design group. Over a 3-year period that began with a vision inspired by the great American mansions, Luxury Living's founder oversaw the meticulous planning and execution of every detail. From the global travel to select limestone, marbles to granite, to the 12 levels of finishes for the kitchen cabinetry, to the precise coordination of millwork, materials, colors, and textures that went into shaping the superior design and flow throughout the home. Peacock Estate now stands as part of the Washington, D.C.'s area's rich architectural heritage. The home was sold for $5,500,000 in July 2020.